Hello friends, after a long hiatus I am back with another healthy recipe and that is the Neer Dosa. This is typically had in Kerala and Karnataka and in some places of Andhra Pradesh where it is known as Tellattu, meaning a white pancake. This is an extremely light gluten-free recipe that doesn't require any prior fermentation. I would suggest you all to try this quick recipe in the monsoon season. With just a couple of ingredients, this is the most easiest dosa recipe that I have ever come across. The ingredients for Neer Dosa are half a cup of white rice soaked for about 1 to 2 hours. Any white rice is perfect for this recipe. Water about twice the quantity of rice and salt as per taste. Now without any further ado, let's get on to making the Neer Dosa. First of all, remove the water from the soaked rice and blend it in a mixer with very little water. Then add salt as per taste and blitz it again. Transfer the contents in a bowl and add enough water to get a flowing consistency. The exact quantity of water to be added depends on the variety of rice used. Remember that the batter should not be too thick. It should be of a free-flowing consistency. Then heat a non-stick pan and grease it with a bit of oil. You can also use a cast iron skillet, but in that case, grease it properly. Add the batter to the pan. The batter should just coat the pan fully. Cover it with a lid and cook the dosa on medium flame for about 30 seconds or so till bubbles appear and the dosa starts leaving the sides of the pan. Now this is a very soft dosa and is not crisp unlike the other traditional dosas that you might have come across. Carefully fold the dosa into half and then again fold it into quarters and take it out onto a plate. Now the speciality of this dosa is that since this is quite neutral in flavor, it can be had with a variety of accompaniments like coconut chutney or veg stew or mutton stew or veg korma or anything. However, the classic combination that I love is piping hot neer dosa with freshly grated coconut and jaggery with a bit of ghee. This is a match made in heaven and literally just melts in your mouth. Do try this amazing recipe for breakfast, lunch or dinner. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. It would really mean a lot to me. Thank you all and see you soon again with another interesting recipe. Bye.